Hi, I'm Vonda LaFever with a design demo from Pioneer Imports and Wholesale. Our project today will be using the reclaimed lumber finish wall decor to create a beautiful wall piece using a variety of succulents. We know the popularity of the succulents and how it works well into either home or office, and this will be an ideal design for both places. What we've done first is kind of to visualize what we want to use with that, and we've actually glued our permanent foam on the back side using a hot glue, and then you can see that's where I want to concentrate my area of succulents. So I'm going to go ahead and lay this down. This is going to be easy for me to work on the surface here. I know that this particular succulent is going to be a beautiful focal area, so I'm going to go ahead and start with my focal. And when I'm designing this, I'm making sure that I do have depth. It's easy just to put the succulents in here all at one level, but then what's going to happen is it's not going to have any depth to it, and it's going to just look like it's just one big blob. So we want to make sure that we're really adding some dimension to the design as well. So keeping in mind too that we don't want it to come too far out into the wall area. Then we're going to continue to balance in the color. As you see, that both of these succulents in the same color palette, so we want to make sure those are balanced within our design. So at this point we have our color. Now we're going to fill in with additional types of succulents, and as you can see, these really just come apart real easily, and it gives you a chance for a couple different insertions. So this one we're going to insert with a double, just cutting that off and inserting it, and then this is giving us 3. That's why I separated those as give us insertions of 3-point, and this is balancing towards the top with that succulent. Taking this off and just inserting this as well. And then to neutralize the color, we're using this product from Pioneer, and this kind of gives us a segue from that beautiful color of our reclaimed wood finish into the succulent color itself. And so you can see as we bring this together, really does make a difference in neutralizing the colors that we see going on. And bring all those together, and once we have this, as you can see, now we have a nice design coming together. What we need to do is to finish it off with our sheet moss. So we would just use, usually I would suggest we use a hot glue and glue those in place. You could also use the cold floral adhesive by Oasis, which would give it that nice look as well. So we're going to go ahead and put this all together. A couple more insertions of our sheet moss. And we have our finished product. It is perfect for the wall. Now these can be done one at a time, or as you can see, I have behind me a grouping of 3 of the 4 of the wall decor that come together, and it makes a beautiful setting for a home or office.